Of course not. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, get out of the branch, hummingbird. Ruby just brutally pulled that branch out. We chopped that. We're just trying to loosen some stuff up. It's crazy to even know how to cut this. It's so dangerous, you guys.
This one off here?
Yeah, I'm going to work there next.
Okay.
All right, got to go to work, you guys.
On the road again. I find love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go in and do that thing I was doing.
All right.
I don't think that's going to do anything.
No, because that's not...
Oh, heck, I thought there was something in here. Huh.
Yeah.
That's
Try
right.
breaking it.
I'm going to do that.
Awesome. Of course there's nothing, but...
That's what I did. Well, I mean, there could have been a nail I couldn't see.
Of course.
And there is.
Oh, there is? Nice.
No, that's not one.
Oh.
Told you. Hi, everybody! I got my protective gear on. They're like, you're right. Oh my God. Okay. Well, what do we want to do next?
I don't know what you want to do next. I think I would like you to be on this side when you cut that branch.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing that yet. Looks
Oh,
like
okay.
it's holding it up, don't you think?
It's part of it,
I'm
yeah.
going to finish this branch off.
Okay.